In this video, I will show you how you can activate Google Fi eSIM on Android. So the first step is you need to make sure to purchase your eSIM plan from your Google Fi application, or if you are on desktop, you just need to purchase your specific plan and you will going to receive a QR code that you then need to scan from your mobile device. So head over to your device settings and then you just need to search for eSIM, and if your device is compatible you will have the option of eSIM. Otherwise you can go for mobile network or add cellular and then click on add eSIM. Now for me it is in the mobile network, so I will simply click on eSIMs and then click on add eSIM, then tap on next on the bottom right, and now you just need to scan the QR code that you have received from Google Fi. After scanning the QR code you just need to click on the download, and this might take few minutes to activate your eSIM, so make sure to be patient. Once the eSIM is completely activated, you can then go back to eSIMs and then tap on three dots and then tap on enable, and you have successfully enabled your Google Fi eSIM on Android. Now on other devices it might be the toggle option, so you just need to look for it and then toggle it on. And this is the way of how you can activate Google Fi eSIM on Android.